In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Trello with Outlook Calendar. By the end, your Trello due dates will be ready to flow into Outlook so you can see tasks and timelines alongside your meetings. Start by heading to Trello. The quickest way is to search for Trello in your browser and open the official site. Make sure you're signed into the Trello account and workspace where your board lives. Once you're in, open the specific board you want to connect to Outlook Calendar. Choose the board where your cards and due dates actually reside, since the integration is added per board. On your board, look for power-ups. You'll usually find this in the board header or the sidebar, depending on your layout. Open power-ups, then select Add Power-ups to go to Trello's directory of integrations. This is where we'll find the tool that bridges Trello with Outlook. In the directory search bar, type Outlook Calendar. You'll see a few options, so pick the one labeled Outlook Calendar for Trello by Trello Solutions. Confirming the provider helps ensure you're choosing the correct integration designed for Outlook. Open that listing to view details like features, permissions, and compatibility. If your workspace has a power-up limit, keep in mind that adding a new one may require removing another or upgrading your plan. When you're ready, click Add to install it on your board. Trello may prompt you with a brief confirmation, so go ahead and confirm. After that, you may see a second Add or Enable button for this power-up. Click that as well to finalize activation on the board. This two-step add and enable flow is normal. It ensures the integration is both installed and turned on for the board you selected. Once added, the power-up will appear among your board's power-ups. From here, it's common for the integration to guide you through any required authorization so it can communicate with Outlook Calendar. Follow the prompts that appear within Trello to connect your Microsoft account and allow the necessary permissions. This ensures your Trello due dates are available to sync over. That's it. You've navigated to Trello, opened your board, accessed power-ups, searched for Outlook Calendar, selected the option by Trello Solutions, and clicked Add to install and enable it. With the power-up active, your team's due dates can surface in Outlook, helping you plan your day without switching tabs. If you ever need to tweak settings, you can return to the power-ups area on this board to review options, permissions, or remove the integration later. Thanks for watching and enjoy a more connected workflow between Trello and Outlook.